Today I'd like to introduce an amazing truck to you, the Dongfeng 6x6 flathead off-road cargo truck, customized for overseas clients. It is powered by a Cummins B170 engine, strong and fuel efficient, with 6-wheel drive and a high long-range transfer case. It handles mud, sand, and mountain roads with ease. Perfect for mines and construction sites. Off-road capability is top tier. Factory equipped with AC brake cooling system. Full accessories ready for export use right away. New Euro 3 emission standard. Right-hand drive available. It's a top choice for African and Southeast Asian clients. If you are interested, contact us now.